Hello, I'm Mike Rebholz, owner and general manager of Alternative Heating and Air Conditioning. We're a residential and commercial installation company of heating and air conditioning equipment. We're a very transparent company. Our pricing is always up front. We have a really good support team in the office, so if anybody calls after hours or during our working hours, we have 3 people on the phone, so they can always help you. My installers, my service techs are all really well trained. We have training either once a week, once every 2 weeks. Sometimes we'll have training, 2 trainings in a week. We discuss how we can better take care of people's homes when you're inside, how we can better improve installments. To ensure quality in all my installations, I have a checklist on everything that we do. And we go through all this with the homeowner to let them know exactly what we've done, that this meets all expectations, and then we'll walk the home and check airflow and balance the system. We use this protocol to ensure our customers are satisfied and that they understand their system. What separates us from a lot of companies, and I would say most companies, I'm the owner. I also act as an estimator. I'm out at people's homes. What separates us is that you can talk to me, and I think it's really important, and you can talk to the service manager in person. Everybody is about, let's bring the service to the customer. I think some of the best joy I get in this company is providing an installation that is superb. It has 45 years of expertise behind it. It's the correct system. It's not oversized, it's not undersized, it's quiet. And I get a lot of compliments and feedback on that. I love that. So if you have questions or are looking at understanding a heating and air conditioning system and looking for an install, please give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.